Isn't this the quintessential Florida home? Wouldn't you just love to be on the water? Well, I'm going to show you how. Come on, let's go take a look. These leathered countertops are exquisite, and there's so much space and water views. The living space highlights family unity. You've got dining, extra space, and again, always about the water. You've got beautiful space everywhere. This ensuite adds to that value, but again, water views. Got a 3-bed, 3-bath. Have I mentioned these views from every corner yet? Now you've got the downstairs living area, ample space, and water. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any of this.